Oh no, I'm almost out of tape.
Hey there, Sally. Having trouble putting together that sewing pattern?
Geez, Mr. Narrator. Yes, I really want to put together this sewing pattern, but it's nearly 40 pages long. It's going to take longer to assemble the pattern than it is to actually sew the thing.
It's true. Trying to get patterns to print to scale, cutting off the edges, and taping them together can be hard work.
Did you just mansplain to me what I'm literally doing right now?
Silly Sally. Did you know there's an easier way?
What's that?
Why, buying the paper pattern, of course.
No, okay. This is from online. It's a digital download. It's from fleecefun.com. I love the patterns there, but they're all like this. So I need to go out and get some more tape.
No need to worry your pretty little head with all that driving.
No.
What if I told you that now you could get that pattern all on one large piece of paper and have it sent right to you?
Okay, I like the right to me part, but what is with the pretty little head comment and insult to my driving?
You're adorable. Yeah, work with me here.
That'd be swell.
Now introducing Fleece Fun Patterns. The entire pattern printed out and sent right to you. It also includes a step-by-step instruction booklet in color.
Golly, color?
No more taping. It comes complete with a large envelope perfect for folding up the pattern and storing it after use. And there's more.
Really?
Yes, little Sally. This pattern comes directly from the designer. No middleman. So you'll be supporting small business.
Okay, I do like that part.
I thought you would. So save yourself the headache of digital pattern assembly and buy one today.
Gee, with all the time I'll save from having to assemble patterns, I can finally think of ways to take down the patriarchy.
Now let's not get too hasty there.
Aren't you basically an archetype of the patriarchy?
Oh, wow. Anywho, Fleece Fun Patterns, now available in physical form. No assembly required.